Ambient lighting enhances the interior of your Tesla Model Y by adding subtle illumination to areas like the footwells, doors, and dashboard. Tesla doesn't offer factory-installed ambient lighting in most Model Y configurations, but many owners are adding it as an aftermarket modification for a more premium feel. These modifications create a stylish upgrade that illuminates dark areas, making the minimalist interior feel more welcoming without interfering with the vehicle's design or safety features. You'll learn how to install lighting in key areas like the dashboard and door sills using compatible components that work with the Model Y's electrical system. According to surveys from Tesla Motors Club in 2025, ambient lighting ranks among the top 10 modifications chosen by Model Y owners, showing its popularity among the community. This video series will guide you through the complete process, from understanding components and safety precautions to step-by-step installations and customization options. Gather your supplies. You'll need LED strips, RGB or white, 12 volts, a CAN bus interface, like a Tesla CAN bus adapter, wiring harnesses, crimpers, and a multimeter. These kits now support over-the-air updates for color synchronization with the vehicle's infotainment screen. LED strips are attached under the seats for footwell lights. Door lights require careful panel removal. Dash lights involve integrating with the center console. When installing ambient lighting in your Tesla Model Y, safety must come first. Let's review the essential precautions to ensure a safe and successful installation. Always disconnect the vehicle's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts or electrical shocks during the installation process. Be mindful of voltage matching, ensuring all components operate at 12-volt DC. The Tesla Model Y's electrical system requires precise voltage compatibility to avoid damaging components. Ensure proper heat management for LEDs, as they can generate heat that might affect nearby components. Proper ventilation and placement help maintain system integrity. Aim for reversibility, allowing you to restore the factory state if needed. This means using removable fasteners and avoiding permanent modifications to the vehicle. Improper installation can lead to electrical shorts or voided warranties. Always follow proper procedures to protect both your vehicle and your investment. Tesla's warranty policies, updated in late 2025, explicitly void coverage for unauthorized electrical modifications. However, community reports show that professional installations rarely cause issues if done correctly. The first step in installing footwell lighting is to safely access the vehicle's electrical system. Start by locating the fuse box, typically found under the driver's side dashboard near the steering column. Before working with any electrical components, disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery to prevent accidental shorts or electrical hazards. Always ensure the vehicle is turned off and wear insulated gloves for safety. With the electrical system safely accessed, proceed to mount the LED strips under the front seats. First, clean the underside of both front seats with isopropyl alcohol to ensure proper adhesion. Apply the LED strips using their adhesive backing or secure them with provided clips. Position the strips to provide even illumination across the footwell area without obstructing any seat mechanisms or safety features. Now connect the wiring harness with a secure connection to the CAN bus system. Use a CAN bus adapter to interface with the vehicle's network without disrupting core functions like infotainment or safety systems. Connect the harness to a stable 12-volt power source through the fuse box, ensuring all connections are crimped and insulated. Route the wires carefully along existing harnesses to prevent them from being pinched by moving parts. Before completing the installation, test the lights to ensure everything works correctly. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and turn on the vehicle. Activate the LED strips and verify even illumination in the footwell area. Check for any error codes on the dashboard and ensure the lights don't interfere with vehicle systems. Once tested successfully, fully secure all wires and strips in place. Begin by gathering your tools and preparing the workspace. You'll need plastic pry tools, screwdrivers, wire strippers, electrical tape, and your LED lighting kit with CAN bus adapter. Now, carefully remove the door panel to access the interior mounting area. Start by locating and removing the screw covers, then gently pry the panel away from the door frame. With the panel removed, mount the LED strips along the inner door panel. Use adhesive backing or clips, ensuring the strips don't interfere with window mechanisms or door locks. Connect the LED wiring to the CAN bus system. Use the provided adapter to tap into the vehicle's network safely, then route wires through existing grommets to avoid damage. Finally, test the installation and reassemble the door panel. Reconnect the battery, power on the vehicle, and verify the LED lights function correctly before securing the panel back in place. Begin by preparing the center console area. Carefully remove the trim panels using plastic pry tools to access the mounting points without scratching the surface. Disconnect any existing wiring harnesses to create space for the LED strips. Next, mount the LED strips. Apply them to the underside of the dashboard using the adhesive backing or provided clips. Position the strips along the edges of the center console to ensure even, subtle lighting that won't interfere with driving visibility. Now connect the wiring. Use the DC power connectors to link the LED strips to the power source. Refer to wiring tutorials for options like cigarette socket adapters or direct hardwiring to vehicle power. Integrate with the CAN bus by connecting a Tesla-compatible adapter. This allows the lighting to communicate with the vehicle's systems without disrupting autopilot or infotainment. Follow the electrical diagram carefully to avoid triggering diagnostic alerts. Ensure the lighting is subtle to avoid glare. Test the installation during daylight conditions, as shown in this driver's view, to confirm the lights don't reflect off the windshield or distract from the road ahead. Adjust the positioning if necessary. Finally, test the installation. Start the vehicle and activate the dash lighting to verify even illumination and functionality. Check that all connections are secure and the lights integrate seamlessly with the center console without any issues. Once the hardware is installed, use compatible apps or controllers to program the LED lights. These tools provide an interface to customize your ambient lighting setup. Customize colors by selecting from a palette of options, adjust brightness using sliders, and choose from various lighting modes like steady, breathing, or pulse effects. Some kits offer synchronization with the car's infotainment system or driving modes. For example, lighting can change based on music playback or vehicle speed. Advanced kits from manufacturers like Diode Dynamics and Tesla Mods have evolved to include wireless CAN bus adapters, reducing wiring complexity and minimizing risks of triggering diagnostic systems. When installing ambient lighting, you might encounter common issues like flickering lights or CAN bus errors. These can often be resolved by double-checking all wiring connections and consulting online forums for solutions. For best results, consider professional installation to avoid potential complications or voiding your Tesla's warranty. This ensures safety and proper integration. According to surveys from forums like Tesla Motors Club in 2025, ambient lighting is one of the top 10 modifications for Model Y owners, with over 15,000 documented installations reported.